Hello and welcome to the MCQ lecture series. Since we are in the segue of looking at multiple choice questions with respect to the financial systems paper 1 for SYBA, let us look at some more MCQs from chapter 2, and the MCQs are like this. The first question is talking about the problems associated with regional rural banks in India. So the question goes like this: which of the following are problems associated with regional rural banks? And the underlying options available to us are A, haphazard branch expansion. That means branch expansion was not planned and it was in various directions, not giving out the desired results. Then we have a regional imbalance, meaning thereby the branches or the banks were not regionally balanced, meaning thereby they were not probably operated or opened in different regions of the country to cater to different needs. Then rigid norms, and last is all of the above. So here, which of the following are problems associated with the regional rural banks? These are all the problems associated with regional rural banks in the Indian context, and therefore option D, which is all of the above, meaning thereby regional imbalance, rigid norms, haphazard branch expansion, all of these are problems associated with regional rural banks. So therefore option D, which is all of the above, is the correct answer. Let us now move to the next question. It is a not sort of a question, and the question goes like this: which of the following are not a shortcoming of regional rural bank or limitation of a regional rural bank or a problem associated with a regional rural bank? The question can be in this form, and the underlying options are A, strong capital base, B, poor recovery system of loans, lack of coordination between different banks, and then defective credit deployment. So here I am asking which is not a shortcoming. Strong capital base, the word itself says that strong is not a shortcoming or a weakness of the same, rather it is the strength, and therefore this is the correct answer, which is rather it has to be weak capital base and not strong capital base. So option A is the correct answer. So not sort of a question. Read carefully such questions which are asking not a shortcoming. I'm not asking which is a shortcoming, I'm asking which is not a shortcoming of regional rural bank in India, and option A is the correct answer. Let us now move to the next question, which is talking about which of the following measures are or is taken or adopted to solve the problems associated with regional rural banks. So here I am looking specifically at measures which were adopted to solve the problems associated with regional rural banks, and the underlying options are A, merger with commercial banks, B, streamlining recruitment process, C, good branch expansion policy, and D, all of the above options, meaning thereby mergers as well as streamlining recruitment as well as good branch expansion policy. So here the correct answer is all these are the different measures which were taken by the government to solve the problems associated with regional rural banks, and therefore option D, which is all of the above, is the correct answer for this question. So I hope the idea is pretty much clear. Let us now move to the next question, which is talking about cooperative banks. Now we are moving from the regional rural bank segment towards the cooperative bank segment, and here the question goes like this: the cooperative movement first began in where it began. The cooperative movement first began in the A, US, B, Europe, C, China, or D, India. And here the correct answer is, this is a very factual sort of a question, probably you'll have to mug it up. It first began in Europe. So therefore this is the correct answer, the first cooperative movement. Let us now move to the next MCQ, which is the first documented consumer cooperative. Here I am looking at first documented consumer cooperative, and it was established in which year? The question is talking about in which year, and the underlying options are 1759, 1769, 1779, and 1789. And here again a factual sort of question, you have to memorize it. The first documented consumer cooperative society was established, or cooperative was established in 1769. So this is the correct answer, option B. So I hope the two questions related to cooperative movement and cooperative consumer cooperatives is pretty much clear. Let us now move to the next question, which is the last question in this segment of the MCQs, which is talking about the Cooperative Credit Society Act was first passed in which year in India. So here I am specifically looking at Cooperative Credit Societies Act, and all I'm asking is in which year it was passed in India, and the underlying options are 1901, second is 1902, third is 1903, and last is 1904. Here again it is a factual sort of question. So the Cooperative Credit Societies Act was first passed in the year 1904 or 1904. So option D is the correct answer. So I hope the MCQs are pretty much clear. Please stay tuned. I'll be making more videos with respect to the same. Thank you.